one key feature in all Grady-Whites that make it a Grady-White, and that's the hull design, called a CV2 V-hull design. And what that is it's a very sharp entry to help you cut through all that chop and all the wakes and all waves and all that, and then it flattens out towards the back. Gives you a softer landing, lets you plane quicker, and you can stay on plane at lower speeds. So if you like to troll, that's something that's definitely a benefit. But also just the handling, the turning capabilities that hull design gives you, they're second to none. And you can see that on any website you go to. Anybody who owns a Grady will tell you that. So this 386 comes with triple 450s. I mean, you want to talk about power, that is now the biggest motor the Yamaha makes. And you can tell they did a great job with it. Very smooth operation, very great runnability, high top speed. Just it's a great power package. Coupled with that, you have your digital throttle, you have your digital steering, you have your Helmmaster joystick with stay point features. If you like to fish, this is definitely a big deal. You can get out to your spot, you can lock it in, and then the captain gets to fish. When you're ready to go, just take it off and head to your next spot. You don't have to sit there and anchor. So you like to fish, you got the family with you, no problem. This has a great entertaining area up front. There could be a huge sun pad. You can have the table up so that you can actually entertain that way, have some lunch. You do have a full summer kitchen in the back here, so you can do some cooking. You can keep your snacks cold in the refrigerator. And lastly, a fully functional cabin with AC. It gets hot, somebody wants to get down there, cool off, take a nap, it's perfect for that. I have the benefit of riding a whole bunch of different boats, getting to drive them, and just, you know, having that kind of life. And I will say that this 386 here, they have done an excellent job with it. Before, you had to go from the 376 that didn't have that big cabin up to the 456, and now they have a great buffer, and this is it, the 386. You want to come check it out, take it for a ride, you already know where I'm at, MarineMax, Fort Walton Beach.